Hi mini friends, it's April. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Cafe Series 4. I got 3 balls on Amazon, so I'm super excited. I don't have very many of these, so it'll be exciting to see what surprises are in store for us. Okay, so we'll open this one up first. So this is the Cafe Series 4B, I believe. So Series 4, and I couldn't find very many of these since I've gotten into the Miniverse world of Make It Food, Make It Mini Cafe series. I can't find very many of these out in the world. I've gotten a couple of them, but it seems to be I've been able to find more of the Series 3 than Series 4 or 5. I've only been able to find 1 or 2 of Series 5. But it was really nice to see that these went on sale. And I wasn't able to get more than 3. Amazon had a cap on the amount I could get, so I was only able to get 3 of these. Which is not bad. I don't need that much, you know. Let's see. So the Cafe series does not come with a table. It just comes with a cafe type dish. I'm really hoping to get the marshmallow treats. That's one of the only ones I don't have. And the bacon wrapped hot dog is also one I do not have. Okay, so this looks like we got some puffed rice marshmallow cereal. So this is the marshmallow treats. So we got that, which I'm excited for. I love Rice Krispie treats. I think they're delicious. And this is the marshmallow resin fluff. Oh, look at the mold. I love the molds. So this is the mini glass baking dish, which is a silicone mold to put your Rice Krispie treats into. And this is the utensils. And let's see, there is a cloche top for us to open a bakery. And then it's interesting we get a round top, but the baking of the dish itself is square. Oh, because this is not a cloche top. This is a mixing bowl. So here's a mixing bowl, and this is the plate to serve them in. I haven't had marshmallow treats in a long time. Look at the teeny weeny tiny, they keep getting smaller and smaller with Miniverse. The spatula is so small. Wow. Oh, and it's a butcher's knife. Okay. Why do we need a butcher's knife? That's confusing. I guess to cut them with, but if they're in one of these pans, why would you want to cut them? Okay, so we got the top that goes to the ball. We got some tweezers. Then we have a placemat. This is snack time. Okay. And then we have the collector's guide and the instruction manual. This is your first time. Go ahead and read this. If it's not, you can put it to the side. Let's take a look and see all the delicious treats we can get. So, I really want the pain au chocolat, and we just got the marshmallow treats. I already have the berry Danish. I have a feeling there's a bacon wrapped hot dog in one of the 3. I have a falafel gyro, I believe, and a shrimp cocktail. I do not have the halo. I do have the watermelon sorbet. I do have the Thai tea with boba. I do have the butterfly pea flower tea. I do not have the chili mango fruit cup, but I don't really want that one. And I would love more tingulu, because I think I'm going to make a bracelet out of the one I do have, so it'd be nice to have an extra. So that's everything for the collector's guide. Let's go ahead and get the next ball open. So this one is not much moving in there. So I'm thinking maybe bacon wrapped hot dogs. So we'll go ahead and open this. Okay, so this is what the outer, the inner wrapper looks like for the cafe series. So you can see like all the designs of Danishes and the shrimp cocktail and the Thai tea boba. So that's what the outer or the wrapper, inner wrapper looks like. Here's ball number 2, 2 of 3. Ooh, I'm right. So we have our hot dog buns right here by Snacky Snacky Co. And this is like the tiniest little wrapper holder I've ever seen. Plastic. Wow. Okay. So we have some hot dog buns. This one says chill out. It's backwards, I think, on camera. Nope, it's upside down. It's just upside down. So it's a son wearing headphones singing chill out. Chill out, man. Okay. And here's our resin with a top. And it says mayonnaise. Interesting. I would never put, I don't like mayonnaise. I hate it. I call it mayonnaise. But I don't like mayo. I think it's gross in real life. I don't know that I put it on a hot dog either. This one says stay fresh. We've got some lemons in a cart. Ooh, bacon. I do like me a lot of bacon though. And we get 3 pieces of bacon. Ooh, there's the hot dogs. It looks like they've already got the grill marks on them, so they've already been cooked. Pre-cooked hot dogs, ready to go. Is that it? Oh, we got the little holder. There's a tiny little one-piece holder for 1 hot dog. You get 4 hot dogs, but then you get 1 holder. Okay, and get another snack time placemat. So now we have 2. So you can seat 2 people for food. And then the last package is the utensils for the hot dog. So we have our tweezers, and then we got the top to the ball. Okay, and that is number 2. Okay, so here is ball number 3. This is the final ball that we have. Only got 3 for $4. I'm curious, like, what's the cheapest you've ever paid for a Miniverse cafe ball? Put it in the comments below. I'm really curious. Am I overpaying for the sale of $4 a ball? What's the cheapest you've gotten a ball? Okay, and I guess they're not capsules, balls, I don't know. What do you call them? I call them both, depending on what's going on in my mood. Sometimes I call them a ball, I sometimes call them a capsule. I think they can be called both, but let me know what you think. I've seen some people post online, they get really upset when you call it a ball. Let me know what you call them. There we go. Okay. Let's see, is this the Tangulu? What is this? Let's see. Let's do something a little different. Ooh, okay, they're just bouncing around. It's just everywhere. Okay. This is Chill Out. So slightly different than the other one. Oh, I got another one of these. Let's see, the lid. So this is the butterfly tea drink. I wish I could find a cup like this in real life, like a big version for me. But that's okay, Mickey P can have it. I think he looks good with his new Starbucks cup, or kitty Starbucks cup. It's a little kitty cat. I don't know what kind of ears. Bear? Is it a bear? These bear ears on the cup? I don't know, but he looks really good with it. Looks really good with this cup. So what comes in the cup? Well, we get the butterfly tea resin, which is like this purplish blue resin. But I think with these cups, what I might do is actually use slime instead of resin. That way I can reuse them and put different colors in there, and it's not permanently just one piece of plastic. So maybe we'll do that in a video. Got the straw. Let's see what's in here. Oh, and here's the pink ice. So it comes with a ice pink lemonade, the penguin on it. And this is actually a reusable silicone mold. So I can actually make more ice in this mold. So that's really nice that they did that. And I think it'd be fun to use slime with the ice to kind of put something in here that I could leave at my desk, and then I could pull out the slime and, you know, use it as like a fidget with the ice. I don't know. So it's just an idea I had. Have you done that? What are some things that you've done that's unique and different with the Miniverse series capsules? This is the tiniest straw I've ever seen. It's really cute. It's pink. And that's it. So those are our 3 capsules. We've got the marshmallow treats, we've got the bacon wrapped hot dogs, and then we got the butterfly tea. I think those were all great. I'm very excited to get the marshmallow treats and the bacon wrapped hot dogs. I'm excited to get all of it. It was a really great find, and I'm really glad I was able to get it on sale. Okay, well that's all for now. I'm not going to make any of the items just yet. I'm thinking of creative ways of presenting and creative ways of making these dishes to make them more entertaining for you. So I'll keep this video short. I hope you all are having a great rest of your day, and I'll see you later. Bye!